Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. This video is going to be a what's in my bag. I hope that I do not rush this video because I'm actually on my way to work, so I want to make sure that I use the time that I have right now to create some content. So if you're brand new here and if you love lifestyle content, definitely hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video so that I know that you want more of these. So let's get right into this content. PS, if you're interested in what I'm wearing, this shirt is from Ralph Lauren, these jeans are from H&M, and my shoes are from Shein. This bag is from like a brick and mortar store, not from St. Lucia. So I'm gonna see if I can get alternatives for it. If you're ever interested in what I'm wearing, I always link what I can find alternatives in my shop like to know it page, so definitely check out the description box of this video. So what's in my bag? I give up. Anyway, so let's get into the video very quickly before my ride gets here. So I tend to carry all these items in my bag every single day, like literally every single day. So first things first, I have a scarf. I tend to change my scarf about 3 times a week or twice a week because my office can get really freaking cold. Like yesterday, I was freezing. I literally was trembling. So I tend to always keep a scarf in my bag or in my drawer. And this one is a new one because I brought the one that I had home yesterday. Then I have this pouch. This pouch is actually from Ipsy Glam Bag. I stopped buying from them because I was like, this is not really worth my money, honestly. They're like little sample sizes. So if you someone who want to like try out different beauty products before going like really all in with your your purchases, etc., I can recommend Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy. I'm gonna see, I canceled my account, but I will link the website down below. But these are very handy. I think I have a couple of these. They come in very handy. And in here, I just have my sanitary products. I'm not gonna show you sanitary products in here. And I always carry these. Ladies always carry an extra pouch, or at least extra sanitary stuff, okay? Always. And at my office, I actually have a box in my drawer where I have like hand cream and an extra deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss, because you always want to make sure that you're remaining fresh, okay? So if you do have the luxury of having an office space or even your own cubicle drawer or desk drawer, whatever they call it, like a credenza, definitely put this little stash in there in case you do not want to carry it every single day. Then I have this pouch where I have like tissue paper and face masks. I always tend to work with some extras because sometimes these do snap, so I always make sure that I have extras just in case. So I have these. Then these are my slides or slippers. We call them slippers. I always tend to keep these in my bag because sometimes I am wearing, whether it's heels or flats, and I do not want to have my toes like constantly covered sometimes. So I will always walk with something like that. Now I use these at home, but because it's raining, I just walk with these because they can take like all the water and whatever in the event that I have to wear it outside. But like yesterday, my shoes got wet, so I had this on. Okay. Next, I have my purse. Now, I usually carry my actual wallet with me, but I haven't used it in quite some time. I need to get a new one because I find that the card slots, they are a little bit loose. I've had it for literally 13 years, honestly. And it's a land wallet, so I need to get a new one. So right now, I'm using this wristlet from Coach, and I just have in here my money. I don't walk around with a lot of money. I tend to hold enough money for the week or the day, and I usually have like my card if I want to buy something, like lunch or like some groceries or whatever it is. And then also, because it's like a dual pocket, I always walk in here with some multivitamin or like a painkiller because I do get migraines sometimes. I have a few mints. And I always walk with 3 beauty essentials, or 4 rather. I have a lipstick in my feminine pouch, and I always walk with an extra eyebrow thing. And then a nail file because my nails, sometimes I'm like picking at it or it chips on something. So I always have like a glass nail file and then an extra eyebrow pencil because sometimes I might miss a spot and I will not see it until like I'm outside in natural light. So that's my wristlet. Then I have a notebook. Now I do not work with a notebook every single day. I only grab it when I feel like today I want to be like my mind is whirling and I want to like write down some like stuff, whatever is creative juices flowing. So this is so cute. This is like so me, like all my aesthetics. So I always have like not always, but I tend to carry a notebook at least a couple times a week. If I do take notes, sometimes if I'm in a meeting or whatever, I just use the notes tab in my phone. Like if it's a quick meeting, but if it's like an actual sit down meeting, I will use like my office notebook. But this one is for like personal use. Then I have my glasses. I do wear prescription glasses, so I actually need to go get a checkup before the end, well, by the end of this month. So I have my glasses in here. I always carry them because sometimes my eyes get really dry, and I also have astigmatism, so it really helps because yeah, especially the migraines and the blurriness. So yeah. Then I have my office pass, hand sanitizer. I always carry an extra one with me, like a little portable one with me. I don't like the liquid the gel hand sanitizer. I find that they always leave like a sticky residue. So I just use this spray, like liquid spray one instead, and I always refill them because I have like a big bottle. So I just refill it all the time. Then I have my sunglasses. These are from Payless. Right now it's like raining, but it's also overcast. So on a very heavy rainy day, I will just take out the non-essentials for the day. But today the sun is out right now, so I'm going to walk with these still. Then I have my house keys and earphones. Always get tugged up in something, but I always tend to listen to music whilst I'm on the bus or a podcast or something. So I always have these with me, always. Then I have an umbrella. I live in the Caribbean. Weather is bipolar, especially right now. We're currently in the hurricane season. So 1 minute it can be very wet and the next minute it can be super dry and hot. So I always carry an umbrella with me. Now, if I leave my home and it's raining heavily, I will carry a bigger umbrella. That way because I know it's gonna be like very heavy. I usually check the weather before I leave, but on other days, I tend to always ensure that I have like a smaller one, a portable one. Well, they're all portable, but like a smaller one in my bag. So, and then lastly, I always walk with tea. I have tea throughout the day at the office because it always gets cold. And I just love to remain warm and cozy, so I always have tea. Usually I will drink green tea or mint tea at the office, or chamomile tea, which is so weird because it doesn't do anything to me whatsoever. Like I don't fall asleep, I don't get tired, I don't get relaxed. And there's also like a really yummy one by the brand Yogi. It's called calming tea. So I will drink it when I feel like I just want to like zen and do my work. But then there are days when I want like some black tea, so I always carry vanilla chai. This is my go-to black tea. I don't like English breakfast tea that much. So yeah, or Earl Grey or whatever it is. So that is it for my what's in my bag. Let me repack my bag now so that I can get out of here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. I want to know. And also check out this video and this video where I am sharing how we turned my balcony into a luxury picnic. And also you can check out this one down below where I talk about figuring out my ideal style using different tools, finding my kibbe analysis, very powerful, which by the way, this is one of my signature colors or signature palettes. Like I'm a romantic and I absolutely love this shirt. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bisous. Bye.